This is my video for CIT 336. I'm going to go ahead and go through this whole list on my website. My database and website are currently up, so we'll go through and get everything done. First, we'll check to make sure the first name cookie is created after we register. Let me think. So before I continue and log in, now that we registered, we can see that we have a thanks for registering Bob message here, which is just the name we used for our fictitious account. We'll check to make sure that the cookie exists. We should have a first name cookie with the value Bob, and we do here within our browser. So once I log in, we'll save that, we'll check again, and that cookie should no longer exist. So you can see it is gone. All right. Here in the upper part of our screen, we have a welcome message with the user's name stored without the cookie. That message holds across all the different views, no matter where you go. And there's also a link to the admin page. Product view can be added, but only by a logged in client. So we're logged in currently. If we go to any of the products, you can see that we can add a review to each product. We'll go ahead and actually log out real quick and go to a product, and you see that there's no option to add a review if we are logged out. So it has a link for us to log in. We'll click that, we'll log in, we'll head back to that product. And now you see we have a area to write a review with the screen name and all appropriate values. Let's see. Oops. Can't type tonight. We'll submit our review, and we have a confirmation message, and it also shows up at the top of our review section. We'll check our database. There's quite a few reviews, but we should see a new client ID, something besides 1, 5, or 4. I believe it'll be number 6 at the bottom with Bob's review. So let's go ahead and load that up. Apparently client ID 9, but there's the review that we just wrote inside of our reviews table. Let's see. The product review appears in the product detail view for that specific product. Yep, we got that to work. Client's review appear in the client admin view after logging in. So we'll go ahead and go to the client admin view by clicking on our little welcome message. And as you can see, the review shows up within our admin view. Review can be updated and deleted by the client, and that all views in the reviews application are valid HTML5 and CSS. So I should have been checking that along the way, but we'll go ahead and just check here real quick to make sure that this is valid HTML. So you can see there's no errors. So this admin page is valid HTML. Now we'll check to validate the CSS. And the CSS, which is across the entire website, has no errors. So we won't check that again because I only have one file and all views are attached to it. So we'll go ahead and click our edit review. We'll validate to make sure this is valid HTML. Indeed it is. We'll try to enter a null value to see what happens. It says it's required. If we do no validate, It just says add text to your review and then returns the existing value. If we do a valid update, it gives you a confirmation message in the admin view along with your updated review. Let's see, delete review. So let's validate the HTML again. It's going to be the most tedious part. Valid HTML. If we hit delete review, our review is successfully deleted. So now we'll go validate one of our views with the reviews down here, just to make sure that it's still valid HTML. And indeed it is. So all of our review application pages have valid HTML. Anything else? All right. That concludes the little video tour. I'll see y'all later.